In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the printhead cleaning of your Canon Maxify GX1020 printer, and you can follow it for the GX1000 series printers. First step is to switch on the printer, load the paper and go to the printer display panel. Click on the setting icon, select maintenance. Always start with the cleaning, and then if that doesn't work properly, then we can go for deep cleaning. Click on the cleaning and click yes. It's going to take 1 minute, and it will also take less amount of ink for the printhead cleaning. Paper output tray is here. Printhead cleaning is done. Click yes to print the nozzle check sheet. Let's check the nozzle check sheet. If you see all the lines are proper, that means your printhead is clean and you can start using it. Go to the display panel and select the correct pattern, and it will display the message if you need more printhead cleaning or not to unclog the printheads. For deep cleaning, it will take more time and it will take more ink. Right now I'm not going to do that. If you need it, you can do that. So this way we can unclog the printhead and we can improve the print quality. We can clean the printhead automatically. Thanks for watching.